Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to switch to private mode in Safari on your iPhone. Start by opening the Safari app from your home screen. Tap the tabs icon at the bottom right to view all your open tabs. Next, tap Private in the bottom left corner. You'll see the interface change, indicating that you're now in private mode. In this mode, Safari won't remember the pages you visit, your search history, or autofill information. To open a new private tab, tap the plus button. You can now browse privately and keep your activity hidden while using Safari on your iPhone. And that's it. You've learned how to switch to private mode in iPhone. Thank you for watching.